how to upload a WhatsApp profile picture without losing any quality. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and go to a random chat you have. Click on this camera icon and take a picture. Now you're going to tap on this HD up here and choose the HD quality. And what this does is this will increase the quality of the picture, and then you're going to click on send. Once you send the picture, you long press the picture and then tap on this three icon. You tap on the picture, tap on the three icon and save it to gallery. Once you save it, you're going to open your WhatsApp settings and click on your picture and tap on gallery and tap on this recent picture that you've taken and then click on done, and your profile picture should be of a high quality picture. And that's how you can set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing the quality. Thank you for watching.